What if I told you that you don't need complex software or years of practice to build professional 3D models anymore? What if you could just type an idea or use an image and instantly turn it into a complete 3D asset ready for games, animation, or even 3D printing? In today's video, I'm testing an AI tool called Tripo AI that does exactly that. We'll go step by step, try completely new prompts, explore all features, compare HD model versus Smart Mesh, and also create actual usable assets to see how good the final results really are. So let's get started. After logging in, this is the main dashboard of Tripo AI. Right here, you'll see two core features, HD model and Smart Mesh. HD model feature used for ultra-detailed, high-quality 3D models. Best for rendering, animation, cinematic projects, and 3D printing. Smart Mesh feature used for fast, lightweight, optimized, low-poly models. Best for games, apps, and real-time projects. Simple rule, high quality equals HD model fast, and optimized equals Smart Mesh. And later in this video, we'll directly compare both results side by side to see the quality and speed difference. HD model workflow. Before generating the 3D model, I'm going to create a base image because better input usually gives much better geometry and textures in the final model. You can either upload your own image or generate one using text prompts. New image generation prompts. A futuristic cyberpunk helmet with glowing neon lines. Highly detailed studio lighting. Now here's the cool part. Normally, creating assets like these manually would take hours inside Blender or other 3D software. But with Tripo AI, we can go from idea to image to full 3D model within minutes. I'll select the cyberpunk helmet first because I want to test how well Tripo AI handles complex reflective surfaces and hard surface geometry. HD model settings. Image enhancement. On. Cleaner and sharper output. Mesh quality. Ultra to maximum geometry detail. Generate parts. On to better segmentation and structure. Latest model selected to best generation performance. Generating the model. Now let's generate the model. And here is the final result. Honestly, this is the first real wow moment. The model looks extremely detailed. You can rotate it from every angle, and the geometry stays surprisingly clean even around the complex neon sections. Just a flat AI-generated concept image. After, a fully rotatable 3D asset with depth, geometry, structure, and editable parts. And this entire process only took a short time instead of hours of manual modeling. Real use case, 3D printing. I'm exporting this helmet model to check if it's suitable for 3D printing workflows. Because the geometry is highly detailed and structured properly, HD model is clearly the better option for helmets, figurines, product prototypes, high-quality collectibles. This is something that usually requires professional modeling skills. Segmentation. Feature, the model is automatically divided into colored parts. Use case. You can easily edit only specific areas like the visor, side panels, or textures without affecting the entire model. Fill parts. Feature fixes broken or missing geometry automatically. Use case. Repair incomplete models before exporting or printing. Retopology, Retopo. Switch between quad and triangle meshes. Reduce polygon count. Use case. Optimize assets for games and real-time rendering. Texture feature, auto-generate textures. Apply preset styles, create custom textures. Use case, turn basic models into realistic production-ready assets. Supports up to 8K texture generation for ultra-sharp details and professional quality assets. After, the helmet instantly looks like a polished sci-fi game asset with realistic reflections and material depth. Magic brush feature. You can edit the model using prompts or manually paint changes directly onto the mesh. This saves a huge amount of manual texture work. Upscale feature improves texture quality for close-up shots. Best for product renders, cinematic visuals, high-resolution presentations, rigging and animation. Feature auto-rigging, basic animations. Export in multiple formats. Use case. Use directly inside Blender, Unity, Unreal Engine, or 3D printing software. Smart Mesh workflow. Now let's move to Smart Mesh and compare the workflow speed. I'll upload the image again. Smart Mesh settings. Topology. Triangle poly. Count. Low now, let's generate. And this is another big difference. The generation is much faster compared to HD model. Within seconds, the model is ready. Smart Mesh features ultra-fast generation low-poly structure, clean topology, performance-friendly mesh. Best for game assets, mobile apps. HD model, higher detail, sharper textures, heavy geometry. Best for rendering, animation, and 3D printing. Smart Mesh faster generation, lightweight assets, easy optimization, best for games, and real-time performance. So your choice really depends on the project you're building. If you need cinematic quality or printable assets, HD model is the winner. If you need optimized assets for gameplay or apps, Smart Mesh is much faster and more practical. And honestly, seeing both workflows side by side is another major wow moment because the speed difference is huge while still keeping impressive quality. My overall experience with Tripo AI has been surprisingly good. The workflow feels extremely fast and beginner-friendly. You can go from idea to image to 3D model to texture to animation to export all in one platform. And the fact that you can switch between ultra-detailed quality and fast optimized workflows anytime makes it useful for both professionals and beginners. CTL. If you want to try Tripo AI yourself, check the invite link in the description. You'll get 500 extra credits, plans starting from just $9.90 and up to $45 off through the special offer link. So definitely try it before the offer expires. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.